The Golden Age of Discovery. Unlocking the meanings behind the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into an interesting and quite poetic phrase, the Golden Age of. This expression is not just a collection of words. It's a gateway to understanding historical peaks, cultural zeniths, and much more. So, grab your notebooks, and let's explore the rich meanings and uses of this beautiful phrase together. The term, the Golden Age, refers to a period in history or a genre where the highest quality, achievement, or best work is believed to have been produced. It's often used to describe times of great prosperity, innovation, and happiness within a specific domain, such as art, science, or even a country's history. The key here is the notion of excellence and unparalleled quality, making this period stand out as golden. 1. The Golden Age of Athens. This era, around the 5th century BCE, was marked by unprecedented achievements in art, philosophy, and democracy. Names like Socrates, Plato, and Pericles highlight this era's significance. 2. The Golden Age of Hollywood. Spanning from the late 1920s to the early 1960s, this period saw the American film industry reach its creative zenith, with iconic films and stars that continue to influence cinema today. 3. The Golden Age of Video Games. Referring to the early 1980s, this period witnessed groundbreaking developments in video game design and technology, fostering a cultural phenomenon that still thrives. When you say, the Golden Age of, you're not just referring to a timeline. You're evoking a sense of nostalgia and admiration for a time when things were perceived to be at their best. It can be used in both formal and informal contexts, but it's important to understand the background and significance of the era you're referring to use the phrase accurately and respectfully. Golden ages leave a lasting impact on their respective fields and the world at large. They set benchmarks for excellence, inspire future generations, and create a legacy that transcends time. By studying these periods, we can learn about the heights of human creativity, ingenuity, and spirit. And there we have it, a journey through the concept of the Golden Age. From ancient civilizations to modern entertainment, this phrase helps us appreciate periods of exceptional achievement and influence. I hope this video has illuminated the depths and beauties of golden ages across various domains. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, happy language learning.